In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create tables in PowerPoint step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Tables are perfect for organizing data, comparing information, creating schedules, and presenting structured content clearly in your slides. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to insert a table, adjust rows and columns, add content, and even customize the design. If this video helps you, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint opens, either start with a new presentation or open an existing one where you want to add a table. Now look at the left-hand side of your screen where you see the Thumbnails pane. This area shows all your slides in a vertical list. To add a new slide for your table, right-click on any existing slide in this Thumbnails pane. A context menu will appear. From that menu, click on New Slide. This will insert a fresh slide into your presentation. On the new slide, you'll typically see a content placeholder in the center. Inside that placeholder, there are several icons for inserting different types of content, like pictures, charts, and tables. Click on the Insert Table icon. It usually looks like a small grid. A dialog box will appear asking you to choose the number of columns and rows for your table. If you want to increase the number of columns, click on the More button next to the Columns field. Each click will add another column to your table. If you accidentally add too many columns, you can click on the Less button to decrease the number of columns. Next, adjust the number of rows the same way. Click on the More button to increase the number of rows. If needed, use the Less button to reduce them. Take a moment to think about how much data you need to enter so you can choose the right table size. Once you're satisfied with the number of columns and rows, click on OK. PowerPoint will instantly insert the table onto your slide. Now it's time to add your content. Click inside any cell of the table and start typing. You can enter headings in the first row, such as names, dates, categories, or any labels you need. Then click on different cells to enter text as required. Continue entering data across all the necessary rows and columns. You can move between cells using your mouse or by pressing the Tab key on your keyboard, which quickly jumps you to the next cell. This makes data entry much faster. If you realize you need more space after entering your content, don't worry, you can easily add more rows. Simply right-click anywhere inside the table. From the menu that appears, hover over Insert, and then select Insert Rows below. This will immediately add a new row underneath the selected row. You can repeat this step as many times as needed to expand your table. Now let's make your table more visually appealing. Right-click on the table again to bring up the mini toolbar. In that toolbar, click on Shape Fill. A color grid will appear showing different theme colors and standard colors. Select any color you like from the grid. As soon as you click on a color, it will be applied as the fill color for your selected table cells or the entire table depending on what you selected. This is a great way to highlight header rows or make your table stand out in your presentation. And that's it. You've successfully created a table in PowerPoint, adjusted the rows and columns, entered your data, added extra rows, and customized the table with color. Tables are incredibly useful for organizing information and making your slides look professional and structured. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.